In front of me is POCO M7 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, go into settings and tap on About Phone available at the top. Now select Storage right under device name and scroll all the way down. When you're ready, click Free Up, wait again, choose Consent and tap on Clean Up at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my POCO was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!